When it comes to packing, my children have been packing themselves since the age of 4, so they know exactly what they're doing. They use packing cubes, which allows them to pack one outfit per cube, and then the larger cube, they pack an extra outfit, swimwear, and pajamas. They also pack an extra pair of shoes and a laundry bag for any dirty laundry, and of course a stuffy to sleep at night. They both carry a backpack which houses their laptop, blankets, and any writing or coloring materials, and of course a bag of snacks for the plane. I feel that allowing my children to pack for themselves has created an independence in them which lets them know that they don't need to rely on mom and dad for everything and that they are perfectly capable of doing things on their own. My daughter even packs her own medication for her peanut allergy. Now, don't get me wrong, I do double check the bags before we leave for accuracy just to make sure we're not forgetting anything. Who wants to fly away and realize they've forgotten something? But any chance that you get to create independence in your children and a willing spirit, I say go for it. We've been doing it since our kids were 4, and teaching them independence is how we show them that we love them.